Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mrs. Mazulfa and my friends. Here I am Fera Nanis Tiana. In this good opportunity, I would like to present about report text or theory and practice of writing report text. In this material, there are some contents. The first is definition, the second is social function, the third is generic structure, the fourth is language features, the fifth example of report text, and the sixth how to create a good report text. Before we create a good report text, we must know about report text itself. Let's see the definition of report text. Definition: report text is a text which is the result of systematic observation and analysis. Next, what is the social function of report text? Social function. Its social purpose is presenting information about something. They generally describe an entire class of things, whether natural or made, as mammals, the planets, rocks, plants, countries of region, culture, transportation, and so on. The third, what are the generic structure of report text? Generic structure. The first is general classification. It is starting classification of general aspect of thing as animal, public place, plant, etc., which will be discussed in general. The second is description. It tells what the phenomenon under discussion. Next, language features of report text. There are 6 language features of report text. 1 is use of general nouns. 2. Use of relating verbs to describe features. 3. Some use of action verbs when describing behavior. 4. Use of timeless present tense to indicate usualness. 5. Use of technical terms. And 6. Use of paragraphs with topic sentence to organize bundles information, as repeated naming of the topic as the beginning focus of the clause. The fifth, the example of report text. Blue whale. The blue whale is not only the biggest whale living today, the blue whale is the biggest creature ever to have lived on Earth. They are mind-bloggingly gigantic, much larger than any of the dinosaurs. Blue whales and the other ocean giants live their whole lives in seawater. Blue whales commonly reach the colossal length of 29 meters, that's roughly as long as 3 London red double-decker buses parked end to end. Blue whales in the southern hemisphere are generally larger than those in the northern hemisphere, and female blues are larger than males. The first paragraph is general classification, and the second is description. The longest blue whale on record is a female measured at a South Georgia whaling station in the South Atlantic 1909. She was 33,58 meters. The heaviest blue whale was also a female hunted in the Southern Ocean, Antarctica, on 20 March of 1947. She tipped the scales at 190 tons, which is equivalent to about 30 elephants or 2,500 people. Blue whales are now extremely rare due to uncontrolled commercial whaling. Some populations could be endangered to the point of extinction. The third paragraph is called by description too. So that's the fourth paragraph. It is called by description. In the last, How to create a good report text? Here are tips to create a good report text. The first is know your brief and keep your brief in mind at all times. The second, your aim should be absolutely clear. The third, you should avoid jargon. And the fourth, consider your audience. That's all the material about report text or theory and practice of writing report text. May it gives benefit to us. Thank you for your participation and your attention. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.